This video will cover how I was able to make close to $10,000 Shopify dropshipping without spending anything on ads through a method called organic dropshipping. Before I begin, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you appreciate this type of content. It helps me out a lot. Now let's get straight to it. So if you guys have no clue what Shopify dropshipping is, you essentially find yourself a product to sell that holds the potential of going viral, and then you build yourself a Shopify store or website, and then you add the product to your store. You then create a TikTok account based off of your brand that you just created, and then you order the product from Amazon, and then you begin promoting it on TikTok for free, making lots of money in the process. So before I can talk about how you guys can replicate this, I want to explain what I was doing prior to finding this product. A few months back, I had just completely automated my main brand, which allowed me to have so much more free time on my hands. Going from barely having any hours a day to now having more than 5 hours a day, I caught myself on TikTok a little bit more than I'd like to admit. I was on TikTok one day when I noticed a big account called Monkey World Official posting videos about this monkey stress product. Now, if you haven't already seen the product, it's pretty much a toy that is great for relieving stress, and that's exactly how I was planning on marketing it. So the product that was making an absolute killing was this product over here. This stress relieving stretchy monkey toy, guys. This toy over here was killing it back in July and June. So pretty much, guys, this is literally what the product does. And the way I was promoting it was by simply throwing it in the air and recording it fall. The TikTok account that I had found was already branded and had a huge following of over 1.4 million followers. I also noticed other little accounts selling the same product, and every single one of them managed to go viral, making them thousands of dollars. And that was when I knew I had to hop in. This account had gotten over 100 million views, and the videos that were being uploaded were really satisfying and unique. The comments below were all excited and curious about the product. I figured the product would be a cool product to sell with those with anger issues and stress issues, so I decided to find it on AliExpress. Now, whenever you guys are using AliExpress, you guys can use de-icers as your fulfillment choice or all-in-one dropshipping. Both of them are great options. Now, at the time, guys, it was kind of hard finding a good trustworthy supplier. There were a few suppliers selling fake versions, which pretty much does not have the kinetic sand inside the monkey. After I found my supplier, I then looked for it on Amazon and I ordered it to my house. You guys always want to order your product with Prime shipping if you have that option, so that you guys can begin testing the product as soon as possible. After ordering my product, I began building my store very similar to my competitors. Now, guys, whenever I'm building any store, I always try to take inspiration from my competitors. I look at improving an already existing store. Some things I do like to improve on include changing up the theme colors. I personally like to test to see which colors make my store more credible and more vibrant. I always improve on adding better words and images. I encourage you guys to do the same thing. The last thing you guys need is to be spending hours or days building a store just to never go viral or get any sales. Now, I always build my Shopify stores off of Shopify's free themes. I recommend you guys use Refresh and use Pagefly to improve on an already great theme, all for free. So to summarize, my number one advice when building a Shopify store is to take inspiration from your competitor and find ways that you guys can improve on theirs. Now, you don't want to have big paragraphs or large sentences. Keep your store minimal in words and use bullet points whenever you guys can. Customers get bored very quick. The last thing they want to be doing is reading. Remember, guys, the customers on TikTok for a reason. They're either trying to pass time or have a good time indulging in endless content. You guys want to have and use lots of high quality images as well as lifestyle images. It builds a sense of credibility to you and your store and your brand. Also, it's good to mention that most of your potential customers will be from TikTok, and naturally TikTok viewers already have shorter attention span. So if you guys can add a video or a GIF, then add them by all means. It is very important that whenever someone enters your store, they immediately know what they're looking for. Your store should be good at convincing them to purchase just by looking at it. Now, if you guys do get confused on building a Shopify store, I am going to place a very good video right here. So if you guys want to watch that, by all means, go do it. After you guys build your store, you then want to create 2 social media pages. And in my experience, guys, TikTok and Instagram are hands down the best. Other apps like Facebook and YouTube can come later on after you guys have caught your very first bag. Now, after looking at this monkey man's Instagram page, he's built up a decent following from TikTok and repurposing content. Your Instagram page does not have to be fancy. Something simple that makes you look branded and playful will do, guys. Instagram is a great way for you guys to receive sponsors and brand deals. Now, personally, I do not recommend you guys buy Instagram followers, and I definitely don't recommend you guys buy TikTok followers because that will shadow ban you guys' account. Once again, take inspiration from your competitor. You don't need to reinvent the wheel or create anything groundbreaking. What's working for someone else will work for you guys. When creating content or a website, copy what's already working. You guys want to do what's already working to increase the chances of you guys going viral and making lots of money and saving as much time as possible. Now, once you guys have found your product, you've created your store, and you've made your social media accounts, you guys can then go on and order the product from Amazon to your house so that you can begin creating content and promoting it on TikTok for free. When you guys are looking for your product on Amazon, make sure there is no other company's logo, and you want to use Prime shipping so that you can get it within 2 days. After you have finished ordering the product, the way you guys want to create content is to recreate their viral TikToks, and you want to keep doing it 3 times a day for the next 2 weeks. You guys want to create new videos and recreate the viral ones exactly the same way it was made. The only thing you guys really need when recreating or creating videos is to have better lighting, better camera quality, and better sounds. Other than that, you want to recreate the video exactly how you saw it. Once you guys begin actually posting on TikTok, I recommend you guys post 3 times a day every single day and stay very consistent with it and trust the process. The upload times that worked for me were busy hours such as 8 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5 p.m. Now, you guys can post at different times or copy my schedule. I want you guys to try to experiment by uploading at different times to see which times work best for you. You want to use trending sounds and hashtags, and if you are from a different country, country, upload using US hashtags, and upload matching the times that people are awake and active in the United States. This way you guys will get into the US For You page a lot faster. You also want to re-upload your content onto Instagram and be very consistent with your uploads, posting every single day. I cannot stress that enough. Now, if you guys don't know, TikTok does not allow you to place a link unless you get 1,000 followers. So it's very important that you post as many times as you possibly can, increasing the chances of you guys going viral, which will eventually shoot you way past 1,000 followers. You do not miss out on much sales getting to 1,000 followers. Now, after a few weeks of posting content and you guys are still not seeing results, maybe take a look back at your product and figure out why you didn't go viral. Could it be your videos? Could it be your product? Or maybe even your store? I want you guys to be true to yourselves, and it's okay sometimes to move on and test a new product. It's never a waste because you will learn and get better. Now, my peeps, this is literally my step-by-step process that has made me way over 100K. It does take time, and you will not find your winner on your very first go. I see it all the time. People will say that they don't go viral, so it doesn't work. Now, guys, it could really just be your product or your content. And most of you guys won't even be consistent enough to last 2 weeks of posting content. If you guys follow these steps, eventually you guys will make lots of money and you will find your winner. That is it for today's video. I wish you guys the best. Peace.